My name is Andy Ralston, and I'm the founder and CEO of NonBinary Solutions. There's been a 250% increase in autism diagnosis in the last 20 years. We've got a group of individuals that all share a common diagnosis code of F84.0, and it's a very heterogeneous group of people. We're taking a proven healthcare technology, clinical decision support systems, and giving providers digital bumper rails, if you will, like a co-pilot, and help them guide through different treatment pathways. Because hashtag, it's not binary.